You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these names from Throne of Glass. If you want to learn more names from the series that are confusing, I've got many you'll definitely want to learn from. Stay tuned. Pronounced Crochan, alright? Yeah. It's a bit like the Kraken, you know the Kraken, the mythological creature? Well, it's different. Craw, it's an O sound. Not crow, Crochan. CH is pronounced like a K. Witches, Crochan. The Crochan Witches, a race of witches. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.